Hello everyone, I'm going to show you in this video how to increase stitches while knitting a toe in a sock using yarn overs, but you can definitely do that with any pattern you have to increase either leading to the right or leading to the left. I'm knitting leftover socks and you can see that in one I used a method to increase knit through the front, knit through the back, and you may notice I have 2 stitches over here and then we have increased stitch, and it creates purl bumps and they are horizontal. As you can see over here I have 2 columns of knit stitches as I had in the previous one, but over here my increases creates more of a vertical purl. Isn't it? They're more vertical, not horizontal. Now hopefully you can see them side by side. So let's see how it's done with the yarn overs. You knit first stitch and then you do a yarn over. The way you do it, you take a needle, you go under the yarn, then you knit to the 1 stitch left on your needle, and this time we go over the yarn and under and knit the last stitch. One more time, knit 1, under, over, and now over, under. I think it's a brilliant idea for beginners. Once you reach your yarn over, you know where you're at. So in this case, in the first yarn over, you knit through the front loop, and when you reach the last one, you knit through the back loop. So again, through the front, now knit to the yarn over, and now through the back loop. Repeat those 2 rounds until you get the number of stitches you want per needle or in the round overall for the foot circumference. And then you knit the tube. Well, what if I forget what I need to do with the needle when I'm doing yarn over? Is it down? Is it over? Well, the one thing you need to remember what you do after in the next round. So we know that we need to knit the yarn over through the front loop and then in the end through the back. So just in case if you forget what to do, try. As you can see, if I do this, the yarn runs to the back. That means that this yarn over is when I want to knit through the back, and I know I want to knit through the front when I come back over here. So I need to make sure that the yarn goes to the front, so that way when I come back to it, it will be in the front for me to knit through it to create a tight stitch. Again over here, we know that we will be in the next round knitting through the back. So if I do this, the yarn goes into the front, so that's not the way. And now it goes to the back. When I have my finger, see this? Again, when I have my finger, I'm moving it to the front. So that's not the way. I want to knit through the back to create a tight stitch. That maybe I'll show you what happens sometimes when you have loose stitches and you may not know that you have a yarn over here, and it may not be socks, maybe a shawl for instance. So when you approach the situation, you see I'll need to kind of cheat over here, when you have lovely stitches on your needles, but at some point something like this happens. You kind of see a purl over here, so basically means that you have to pull this bit back, and then you will see there is a knit stitch and then there is yarn over, but sometimes that can drop, will look like this. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Just pull it back and you will know what's going on. Well, if you find this video useful, you can give it a like and also save it for later. Bye! Now on the screen I'm going to leave you 2 videos, one how I knit socks from the toe up all the way through, but I'm showing you knit through the front, knit through the back method to increase in the toe, but you can switch it now, and another one, just random video. I hope you enjoyed this one. See you next one. Bye! Oh, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below.